The violent battle went on for hours. Han Chinese and Uyghurs bludgeoning each other. According to officials, 2 Uyghurs died that night. Witnesses claim the death toll was even higher. But this didn't happen in Urumqi during the street clashes that have brought so much attention to ethnic problems in China. This is the south, the manufacturing heartland of China, and the fighting took place at one of the factories in this city. It is thousands of kilometers from Kashgar. The economy in Xinjiang has suffered particularly badly from the economic crisis. Many Uyghurs are unemployed, over 1 million, and the government has set up programs to transfer them to coastal areas where there is a shortage of workers. They can make twice as much money at factories there than they do at home. But critics say these programs don't help the Uyghurs. Instead, they're part of the government's plan to absorb them into Han Chinese culture. The closest thing to home for the Uyghurs in the factory town, a halal restaurant. They used to come by here, but since the fighting, the Uyghurs have been taken away, and business has slowed. The owner wouldn't tell us much. He, like so many people we spoke to, gave no comment. Few in town were willing to tell the full story.
Uyghur men rape a Chinese woman. That's what caused the fighting.
The Uyghurs rob and steal. They are barbarians.
The government denies any incident where Uyghurs raped a Han Chinese woman. They say a disgruntled employee, now under arrest, started the rumor. But in a country whose citizens have little reason to ever believe the official line, who knows what really happened?
This is the new arrangement. Those buildings behind us over there. Uyghurs isolated from the Han Chinese in their own separate workspace and dormitories to prevent further violence between the two sides.
Locals tell us they've been here for weeks, barred from going in and out, living like prisoners. It's a very different ending from that which many Uyghurs expected when they left home, hoping to find better opportunities in faraway lands. Melissa Chan, Al Jazeera, Shaoguan, Southern China.